Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about a new Windows 11 update build 26300.8376, part of the upcoming 26H2 version. And honestly, this one is not a huge flashy update, but it brings some really useful improvements, especially for everyday use. Let's go step by step. So first, this update is part of the Windows Insider program in the experimental channel. Microsoft is mainly focusing on three things here: better touchpad control, improvements in File Explorer, and smoother system reliability. There's also a similar update rolling out in the beta channel, but the experimental one has the newest changes. Touchpad improvements. Let's start with the touchpad updates. This is probably the biggest change. Windows 11 now gives more control over how your touchpad behaves. You can now adjust things like scroll speed, zoom speed, and general sensitivity. But there are also some new gestures. For example, automatic scrolling. You can keep scrolling without lifting your fingers. Accelerated scrolling. The faster you swipe, the faster the page moves, and a new one called single finger scrolling, where you can scroll vertically using just one finger on the edge of the touchpad. This makes navigation feel more flexible, especially on laptops. Some features may depend on your hardware, though. File Explorer changes. Now let's talk about File Explorer. This update brings small but very practical improvements. First, the address bar is smarter now. It handles tricky paths better, like double backslashes or quotation marks. Also, suggestions in the address bar now close more smoothly after you select something. Another nice change is in the details view. File sizes are now easier to read. Instead of only KB, it now shows proper formats like KB, MB, and GB. Microsoft also fixed a few annoying bugs, like issues when renaming files or delays when changes don't show up properly. So overall, File Explorer feels more stable and cleaner. Other fixes. There are also a few background improvements. For example, better Japanese input method reliability fixes for notification issues that could freeze apps, and general system stability improvements. Nothing too visible, but important for smooth performance. School/education upgrade. One interesting addition: schools can now upgrade eligible Windows 11 home devices to Windows 11 Pro Education, and that too at no extra cost. So this update is also clearly focused on education users. So yeah, that's the Windows 11 build 26300.8376 update. Nothing massive, but a solid step towards smoother touchpad use and better File Explorer experience. If you want, I can also break down future Windows 11 updates in the same simple way. See you in the next one.